The Thar Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes and shrubs, often evokes images of dryness and desolation. This has led to the misconception that the Thar needs to be greened, transformed into a lush landscape. However, this notion is far from the truth. The Thar Desert is a unique and thriving ecosystem. The quest for a green Thar often involves large-scale tree planting campaigns. However, this approach often overlooks the ecological consequences. Deserts are not inherently unproductive or lifeless. They are home to a rich world of plants and animals. The Thar Desert, in particular, boasts a remarkable biodiversity. Its delicate balance has evolved over millennia. The quest for a green Thar often involves large-scale tree planting campaigns. However, this approach often overlooks the ecological consequences. The introduction of non-native species, often chosen for their rapid growth rates, can disrupt the natural order. These invasive species can outcompete native plants for resources, leading to a decline in biodiversity and disrupting the delicate food web. Furthermore, the notion that more trees automatically translate to a healthier ecosystem is a fallacy. Deserts have their own unique water cycles, and planting large numbers of trees can impact these delicate systems. Trees require substantial amounts of water, and in arid regions, this water often comes at the expense of other plant and animal life. This can result in falling groundwater levels, leading to desertification and further ecological imbalance. The Thar Desert, rather than being a barren wasteland, is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Its flora and fauna have, over millennia, developed remarkable adaptations to thrive in this arid environment. The seemingly desolate landscape is, in fact, a complex web of interconnected species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the desert ecosystem. The Thar is home to a surprising diversity of plant life, from hardy shrubs and grasses to thorny trees like acacia and prosopis. These plants have evolved to withstand extreme temperatures and prolonged droughts. Their deep roots reach underground water sources, while their leaves are often modified into spines to minimize water loss through transpiration. These adaptations not only allow them to survive, but also provide food and shelter for the desert's animal inhabitants. Animal life in the Thar is equally diverse and fascinating. Mammals like the Indian chinkara, desert fox and caracal have adapted to the harsh conditions, their camouflage blending seamlessly with the sandy terrain. Reptiles, including various species of snakes and lizards, thrive in the desert heat, while birds like the great Indian bustard and the endangered Indian vulture soar in the skies above. This intricate web of life in the Thar Desert is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. The desert ecosystem, though seemingly harsh, is a finely tuned system where each species plays a crucial role. Attempts to alter this balance through large-scale greening initiatives can have unintended and often detrimental consequences for the very life they aim to enhance. The desire to combat desertification and create green landscapes is commendable, but the methods employed often have the opposite of the desired effect. Greening initiatives, especially those involving large-scale tree planting, can inadvertently exacerbate the very problems they aim to solve. One of the most significant risks associated with greening initiatives is the introduction of invasive species. In an attempt to quickly increase vegetation cover, non-native tree species are often introduced without a full understanding of their potential impact on the existing ecosystem. These species, chosen for their rapid growth and hardiness, can quickly outcompete native plants for resources such as water and nutrients. The introduction of Prosopis juliflora, known as Vilayati kikar, is a prime example of the unintended consequences of well-intentioned greening efforts. Initially introduced to combat desertification, this invasive species has rapidly spread throughout the Thar Desert, outcompeting native vegetation and altering soil composition. Its deep roots deplete groundwater levels, while its dense canopy shades out other plants, leading to a decline in biodiversity and disrupting the natural balance of the ecosystem. Another significant concern is the strain on water resources. Large-scale tree planting requires substantial amounts of water, particularly during their initial establishment phase. In arid regions like the Thar Desert, where water is already a scarce resource, this demand can deplete groundwater aquifers, impacting both human and animal populations. Ironically, attempts to green the desert can contribute to desertification in the long run. The history of greening initiatives in arid regions is littered with cautionary tales that highlight the importance of a nuanced understanding of the ecosystem. The Thar Desert, in particular, offers compelling case studies that underscore the need for a shift from large-scale greening to sustainable land management practices. The Indira Gandhi Canal project, while intended to bring water to the arid regions of Rajasthan, is a prime example of the unintended consequences of altering natural water flow. While the canal has undoubtedly transformed agriculture in the region, it has also led to significant ecological changes, many of which are detrimental. Waterlogging and salinity due to excessive irrigation have rendered vast tracts of land barren. The altered hydrology has also disrupted the desert's natural drainage patterns, leading to an increase in waterborne diseases and impacting the habitats of numerous species. The once thriving desert ecosystem now grapples with the consequences of too much water. A stark reminder that altering natural systems without a comprehensive understanding of their intricacies can have far-reaching and often irreversible consequences. The experience of Rajasthan, where large-scale plantations were undertaken to combat desertification, provides another sobering lesson. While initial results seemed promising, with an increase in green cover, long-term monitoring revealed a different story. Plantations dominated by non-native species like Vilayati kikar led to a decline in groundwater levels, impacting local communities and their livelihoods. Invasive species also outcompeted native vegetation, resulting in a loss of biodiversity and disrupting traditional grazing patterns. Many local communities in the Thar Desert face numerous challenges. The harsh climate, scarce water resources, and limited economic opportunities make daily life a struggle. These communities have developed unique ways of adapting and surviving, but their resilience is constantly tested. It's crucial to understand their plight and work towards sustainable solutions that can improve their quality of life. Instead of focusing on greening the desert, efforts should be directed towards restoration. Restoration aims to revitalize the natural ecosystem while respecting the delicate balance that has existed for centuries. By embracing restoration, we can ensure that the Thar Desert thrives in its own unique way, supporting both biodiversity and local communities. At the heart of conservation lies the understanding that every species and habitat plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Protecting the Thar Desert means protecting its unique flora and fauna. Conservation efforts must be holistic, considering the intricate web of life that sustains this remarkable landscape. It's about preserving the desert's natural heritage for generations to come. A sustainable future for the Thar Desert hinges on a balanced approach. This involves promoting environmentally friendly practices, supporting local communities, and fostering a deep appreciation for the desert's natural beauty. By working together, we can create a thriving environment where both people and nature coexist harmoniously. This is a vision that requires the commitment and collaboration of us all.